Okay, so how can you use SMS for promotion? Seems pretty obvious, right? But let's get into that. But one of the best ways you can do this is in conjunction with something else. And something else in this case would be your email marketing. So let's say you're using something like Klaviyo as your email marketing platform. Then what you can do is also be sending SMS messages as the promotion goes on. Now, what I would do there is I would not be sending as often as I would be sending emails. What I like to do is do an announcement of the sale beginning with SMS, right? And that could be in conjunction with the email. Depending on the length, maybe if it's more than a day or two, you would have an SMS reminder in the middle. And then also using an SMS that kind of closing or shutting down, like, hey, the sale's ending soon, last day of the sale, something like that. But that way you're going from both angles, but you're not overwhelming people on the SMS side and only doing it that way. Okay, this of course depends on your business, your brand. If you're SMS heavy, you get a lot of engagement and things are going well over there, then maybe it makes more sense for you to add in some more messages or rely kind of the opposite way around where you're doing more on SMS and less on email. For most traditional brands though, it's going to be heavier on the email with the SMS kind of pushing that as far as another angle where you can communicate with customers, let them know what's going on, especially for things that are time sensitive. So hopefully this helps you out with your SMS for promotions. If you would like to get in touch with me about SMS or email marketing for your e-commerce store, you can find me, Adam Moody, at oasisoptimization.com.